The moment that I saw your eyes, I knew you were the one for mine. Underneath the moonlit sky, I felt my heart come alive. I can't imagine anything more real than this. All my days, all my nights, every breath, all my life, I'm giving you all I have to give. No matter where the wind may blow, I'm never gonna let you go. From mountains to the valleys low, my love for you will only grow. I can't imagine anything more real than this. All my days, all my nights,
Hey, honey.
all my life, I'm giving you
You're beautiful. You ready? All right, cool. We'll do it.
all my dreams, all my world, every heartbeat, all my love, I'm giving you all I have.
Ryan, there has always been something special about us that just felt right. You have been my biggest supporter, my rock on hard days, and someone who can make me laugh, even when I cry, which is often. You've given me emotional security, unshakable commitment, and shown appreciation for the person I am today and the person I aspire to be in the future. I quickly fell in love with you, and I am so grateful that I did. I vowed to always give it my all, to have a heart that loves you unconditionally through good times and not so good times. I vow to grow old with you, but always keep your inner child young. And finally, I vow to be your forever friend and be the best wife that I can be. I will choose you again and again in this life and the next. It will always be you. Until death do us part, today and forever. I love you.
Hailey, I can hardly believe the day is already here for us to promise our commitment to each other for the rest of our lives. In the last 6 years, you've helped transform me into a better man, friend, and partner. Hailey, you are the most beautiful girl, inside and out, that I've had the honor of knowing, and I cannot wait to spend the rest of our lives together. There's only one girl for me, and that girl is you. With that, I make to you these promises. I vow to keep our partnership and family at the forefront of every action I take. I vow to dedicate my life to our goals and aspirations. I vow to protect you and our family with every ounce of my power. I vow to cherish every moment you've given me the privilege of sharing with you. I vow to love and respect you forever and always.
I memorize the time we lose. It's never gonna be the way it was last. You hide.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the Voss and Hipger family, we welcome you to this incredible day in the lives of Hailey and Ryan. You're all here because each and every one of you have played a special role in their lives. And today, witness the love they have for each other.
I don't wanna waste one day without your love.
Hailey, today you begin another journey in which connection and commitment take on a whole new meaning. I have no doubt that the characteristics of each of you will forge a bond that will gain strength and last the rest of your days. Ryan, do you take Hailey to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until death do you part?
I do.
Hailey, do you take Ryan to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until death do you part?
I do.
By the power vested in me by the state of Minnesota and these witnesses, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
We stay right here until I don't wanna waste one day without your love. There's one beat in my heart. You're all that I want. There's nowhere to go right now. If we stay right here until morning, I don't wanna waste one day without your love. There's one weight in my heart. You're all that I want. If we stay right here until morning. Come on, let's go. Waking up to the wonder. A wild world awaits. Feel the dream getting closer. And we're running unafraid. Never gonna slow down. It's time. Pick up.
Hailey and I wanted to take a couple minutes to express some thanks and gratitude. We want to thank everyone here from the bottom of our hearts for taking the time out of your day to be here. It means the world to us that we have the privilege of sharing a special day with so many of our loved ones.
All glory goes to God every day. I firmly believe that His blessing is upon all of us. You guys wanted to be surrounded by friends. You have been blessed. Your relationship has shaped itself in beautiful and different ways to much love, much happiness, and much laughter. Love you both.
To Don and Deb, I want to say, I think you made your little girl the happiest girl in the world. So, thank you for a great job. Congratulations and do a great life.
Have you ever met someone who seems to have a magic touch? Someone who makes everything they're involved in just a little bit better. That's exactly how I feel about Hailey. From the moment Ryan entered Hailey's life, it was clear to me that they were a great match. Ryan compliments her in ways that only true love can. Here's to a lifetime filled with laughter, adventure, and the kind of love that only grows stronger with time.
Ryan, I don't know if I would have made it this far if I didn't have your level head by my side throughout the 8 years we've known each other now. The birthday party that you put together for me, it just made me feel so cared about. You gave me my favorite birthday ever. So thank you for that. You two complement each other in ways that you often only read about or see in movies. I want to say thank you guys again. I wish you both a lifetime of love and happiness. Cheers.
We're never gonna